YouTube automation. Make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step. Look at this channel. Mr. Nightmare is a fully automated channel and has 5.5 million subscribers with a series of 25 million views, 11 million views, 9.4 million views, and so on. If you check out its monthly revenue on Social Blade, it is $47,000. What a victory, man! Today, we're gonna adopt the same method. Do you know, if you're making $100,000 from personality-based channels, then from niche-based channels and YouTube automation, you can earn $500,000. Don't know how? Here, in this video, we're gonna show you guys how you can earn a passive income from YouTube automation. Yes, that's our today's talking point. Hold on, here we have a question for you guys. Why do you want to make money? Be honest and careful, because these super exciting answers will be entertained and awarded with a monetized channel. Yes, we are giving a total of 15 monetized channels, and the winners will be announced on the 30th of September. Only you have to subscribe to our channel and comment down below in the comment section that I want to fill up my bank account because… For further details, find us on Instagram under the same name, Cash Cow Creators. Come and join the biggest giveaway. Well, some people might get confused with the automation in which your likes, views, and comments are automatically handled. This is something else and noteworthy. This YouTube automation allows you to make money while you're sleeping and enjoy your earnings instead of indulging yourselves in creating each and everything on your own. For example, from creating content to uploading the videos. Without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Basically, when you reach out to YouTube, you find two ways to work on it. Number one, the traditional one, in which you have to be on camera, which is a huge problem for most of us. This method is not for you if you're camera shy, because you have to dress up nicely, be attentive to whatever you speak, entertain people, and then you've got to have the right accent. Well, I don't recommend this method because it's outdated, as well as you have to sit in front of the camera for hours. And if you have made such a video before, you might be knowing that it demands a lot of retakes. Also, you'll not get enough time, so you'll create limited videos. That's the reason why you make limited money if you're using this method. And now come to the second and most effective method. That is a faceless channel. You might be wondering, what's the difference rather than being on camera? Well, it's not the only difference. With a faceless channel, you can make more videos and earn more. It's a new technique and pretty easy method than the traditional way of making videos. You know what? You can run multiple channels by using this technique, as well as generating more videos. It would become a piece of cake. Here, you have more chances to expand your business and make it more scalable, literally to the moon. This method uses the technique of YouTube automation. Now, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a simple process of creating videos fully automated. It means you don't have to do any of the work, like writing scripts and making videos by yourself. You hire different people to get all the work done. Faceless channel framework, step-by-step guide. Okay, if you guys are choosing the first method, that is personality-based channels, then you will be supposed to do all the work by yourself. No doubt, these channels give you handsome money, even though you'll not always have time to enjoy that money. If you guys want to make more money and also want to enjoy it, follow the guidelines. So you're smart enough, that's why you've selected the second method. You have two options to run faceless channels, either to do all the work by yourself or hire people for it. Here's a complete way to process how faceless channels work. When you make a YouTube video, then you have to go through these 5 processes. These processes are as follows. Number 1. Video idea. So firstly, you've got to figure out what topic you're gonna make your video on. This is probably one of the main and initial steps because it will decide how you're going to work on it. Whatever the video idea is, make sure it is powerful and that people are searching about it. Number 2. Script writing. This is the step that is gonna determine how the video will go. It means what you're gonna talk about and the information is gonna cover your title. The script should be powerful, yet engaging and to the point, so it's best to make points before you start your video. Number 3. Voiceover. The third step is to add voice to your video. Meaning the voice of your voice, it should be a human voice. Either add your voice or just let someone else do it for you. Decide what accent and tone should go with your video, or simply let your viewers hear you. Number 4. Video editing. Want to capture your audience's attention? This is the actual part of this process that will decide whether the viewers watch your video till the end or not, and if more videos go viral or not. Number 5. Thumbnail designs. Last but not the least, a thumbnail is something that will make your audience click on the video. If they're getting it attractive or potential, they will surely click on your video. Designing a thumbnail that represents whatever is described in your video is crucial. Furthermore, there are 2 ways you can start YouTube automation. Number 1. Having an existing cash cow channel and using its profits to automate it. Use your savings and invest in a new channel. Let's weigh up on how you would either automate either way. First way. Do you already have a cash cow channel? Why don't you just invest its profits? Do you know these investments are your digital assets? This digital investment is the same as real estate. You have to invest in one channel, and when you'll be making profit from it, invest in other channels and scale your business with more and more YouTube channels. This is the easiest method to get into YouTube automation right now. Now there are 2 main ways to get your work done. The first one is to do it all by yourself, and the second one is to hire people for your tasks. Let me sort out your other issue. You don't need to be worried about salaries, skip it. Hire freelancers from Fiverr.com or Upwork. These are the people that are ready to do a single task too, so hire them and make a team. Later on, we'll see how they can charge for a single project. Second way. The second and easiest way to start YouTube automation is simply to invest your savings in hiring freelancers from the beginning. This way, you can make more videos and run multiple channels. Only you have to find out a topic, freelancers will handle all the workload. You're never gonna regret this investment. Let's talk about the prices under which you can hire freelancers. Scriptwriter, $15 to $30. Voiceover, $10 to $20. Video editors, $25 to $50. Thumbnail designer, $5. Note: if your niche is complex somehow, just like finance, then it may cost a little more. The above mentioned are the basic ones. That's all for today's video. In case you miss out on any point, you can simply comment down below and contact us on Instagram. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll be back with more. Until then, stay tuned.